What's up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you with my girlfriend Iris Jardil.
Hi.
We are doing a different kind of video today. We're out here in Maui, Hawaii, and it's a really amazing spot. And we just wanted to bring a video to kind of inspire any entrepreneurs out there that are looking to start this journey themselves. You know, I just started about 15 months ago, and now I'm making an income that's far more than replaced anything that I was ever setting out to do with my career that was going to be broadcast news journalism. Iris is going to be on the same path. Iris, can you tell us a little about what you just did and the life shift that you're making?
Yeah. So in the past couple of weeks, I actually just quit my job that I had for 2 years. And I decided that it wasn't for me. I didn't want to build someone else's dream. I wanted to build my own dream. And so right after quitting, I flew out here to Hawaii, took a little vacation, had some time to reflect. And I realized that I really do want to try the entrepreneur route. I want to build my own dream. I want to have the financial freedom and be able to do what I want while still earning passive income.
That's like a great point, just saying that you want to do your own stuff and build your own dream. And that's what I came to realize too. Like, I worked, and she actually got me the job as a server at the restaurant that we both worked at together.
Yep.
And it was straight up where I was just pounding out work for someone else's job. I could imagine the CEO of that was living out in Maui or somewhere cool, and he was doing everything that he wanted to do, and he had all these little minions like me and Iris running around doing all the work. So when we started, like when I started and what Iris is getting into now, it's quite difficult to get everything up and running in the beginning. But you know, immersing yourself in YouTube content and having some mentors like I offer for people, like in my description I have my links to like my Facebook page and my Instagram where you can reach out and DM me. And like, I would love to get you guys started in the right path. I mean, I looked through social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and found Amazon FBA to be my favorite type of business model because of the fact that you just do research, find a product that's selling really well, ship it into Amazon, and then they're going to be shipping it out to their customers whenever they buy it. And Amazon's got all that traffic for you already. So I'm not exactly sure what Iris is planning to do. Do you have any ideas about what you're thinking about? Like, we were looking to maybe start you with a brand. Tell them about kind of your Instagram following already and everything.
So on Instagram, I have 30.8K followers. I do want to make that grow, and I'm trying to have it get monetized better to where I can make money on it and kind of target a certain crowd. More girls, not so much the creepy guys, but girls that are like me that have the same interests as me that I can actually engage with. So trying to monetize that, trying to actually build something around it to where I have a business that can reach out to girls like that with my platform.
Yeah, I mean, she's already got 30,000 followers on her Instagram, and a lot of that came from her kind of working with other photographers and just building her base from that. And we're going to do a video here about how you can kind of grow your Instagram really fast, organically, getting followers that are actually engaged in your content, not spending $100 and getting 10,000 fake followers. That's garbage, guys. We're going to make some videos here teaching you how to grow your Instagram, because I'm into that a lot right now for growing it for my Amazon product. But I mean, for her instance, she's got all these followers and she's got a lot of...
Yeah, I actually started in the import modeling scene when I was like 19, 20. And in the end, that's not the kind of following that I want, not the creepy guys trying to look for half-naked girls. I'm trying to target more of the girls that are like me, that have the same interests as me, that'll actually leave me nice, decent comments and engage with my photos, and that's what I'm trying to go after right now. I don't want that old crowd. I'm trying to like position it to a different crowd that I know will help me and better me in the end.
And I think one of the cool things that maybe she hasn't fully got into just yet is going to be just, you know, if she could get a product in Amazon, she'd be able to literally have all of her girls on her Instagram. She posts one picture with it, using it if it's a beauty product. You know, all these girls could be influencers for her already, because her friends have thousands of followers as well. So she's got it made to the point where if she can get products, like, she's going to make a lot of sales. And you know, that's kind of the dream that we want to build together, where we can go visit the Hawaiian Islands, go travel around the world, do all these amazing things. And it's not going to happen if we're working on someone else's clock. So I'm just going to show you a quick panorama here and show you what we're looking at, guys. Like, So that's pretty much what we're doing, guys. It's the game plan. We're starting from nothing, building it on up, and that's the route that entrepreneurs are taking these days, and it's not too hard when there's all this free information on the internet. So we're going to conclude this video. We're going to bring you more content. We got a lot of drone footage I'm going to be showing you guys about because this place is far too beautiful. I want to inspire you guys to take some of this journey on your own. And before I conclude, Iris, is there anything else you want to say? Any inspiration for people that want to get into this stuff themselves?
Yeah, I actually just want to say never settle. If you know that you have so much more out there for yourself, then follow that dream and go rise to your full potential. Don't think that you can just be stagnant your whole life and not reach that full potential that you have. So I'm super excited to see what the future holds for me, and I know that I'm in good hands having someone like Luke teach me along the way.
That's what's up. All right, guys, we will see you in the next video. Peace out.
Bye.